At a ceremony in Houston, Texas, the latest ship to join the INEOS fleet was named in honour of our new off-road vehicle. The Pacific INEOS Grenadier was christened by her godmother, the chairman of Enterprise Products, Randa Duncan Williams.
I hereby name this vessel the Pacific INEOS Grenadier, and I wish for calm seas and safe sailing for her crew wherever they may go.
At 99,000 cubic metres, the Pacific INEOS Grenadier joins the Pacific INEOS Bellstaff as the second of the world's largest ethane carriers and furthers our shipping capabilities. INEOS has just announced its entry into the global liquid and natural gas market, already a leading exporter of ethane from the US. INEOS signed a 20-year heads-off agreement with energy transition specialists Sempra Infrastructure to provide 1.4 million tonnes of LNG export per annum from the Gulf Coast of the United States, to begin in 2025-26. Leading liquid food packaging provider Grapeview teamed up with INEOS and UPM Biofuels to develop its first sustainable packaging solution for liquid, dairy and non-carbonated beverages. Grapeview Planet Packaging will not only utilise natural feedstock from sustainably managed forests and other controlled sources, but also use INEOS and UPM's 100% bio-attributed polymer to protect the products inside. In Germany, North Rhine-Westphalia state government has just confirmed €770,000 to fund and support a feasibility study for the construction of a 100 megawatt water electrolysis plant to help produce green hydrogen at the INEOS site in Cologne. INEOS plans to build and operate a new green hydrogen plant at the site as part of a €2 billion package for its green products across Europe, which were announced in October last year. And finally, congratulations to the INEOS Grenadiers for their results in cycling's most prestigious competition, the Tour de France. With former champion Geraint Thomas finishing third in the GC, debutant Tom Pidcock winning the gruelling Alpe d'Huez stage, and the Grenadiers clinching the team general classification title, the riders proved that the 2022 Tour de France was one to remember.